Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We have this adorable house in the Cove. You're not going to want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach. Super cute, cozy little home in historic Panama City, neighborhood of the Cove.
Called the Cove. Yep.
What I love about this house is it could be so many things. It could be a great starter home. It could be a little Panama City getaway.
A perfect retirement home.
Yeah, it's just enough space.
Just perfect, yes.
But not so much that's overwhelming. Yeah. It also would be a great long-term rental if you're looking to kind of help with that.
Some supplements, yes.
Provide some more rentals in the area. All the major appliances are less than 2 years old.
Perfect.
The roof was replaced after Hurricane Micheal.
Awesome.
It's got an on-demand gas water heater, those fancy Renai ones.
Whoop.
Keep those energy bills down.
Yes.
Nice big backyard. If you have any toys, there happens to be a camper in there right now in the backyard. Any toys you want to park, you got plenty of room. Nice big 20 by 20 shed in the backyard as well.
Yes.
So if you have hobbies or crafts that you want to do, you got plenty of space.
Absolutely.
Affordable, under $260 for this little 3-2.
One of my favorite things about this is, well, there are two things.
Okay.
There's no shiplap, but you've got some original hardwood floors that are vintage. You might want to do some TLC in one of the rooms, but they've been kept up very nicely. And a sweet little detail that they've added is in one of the walls, they put some vintage windows in there. So it allows some light and space through flooding the room and some great character. I just love those little touches.
It's adorable. So if you want this great deal over in the Cove, under $260, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
For more details, look in the description below. You've got the listing link for photos, pricing, and extra square footage. For more information, look in the description below. You get all the details in the listing link, photos, pricing, and any other details.
All that good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this great one in the Cove.